Statistical Process Control, or SPC, helps you understand whether a process is behaving normally or whether something unusual has happened. It uses control charts to separate two types of variation. Common cause variation is the normal variation that is always present in the process. For example, order processing time naturally moving between 3.5 and 5 minutes. Special cause variation is different. It means something unusual has happened. For example, processing time suddenly jumping to 8.2 minutes because the system crashed and orders had to be processed manually. SPC helps you avoid two common mistakes. The first mistake is tampering. This means reacting to normal variation as if it is a real problem. If you keep adjusting a stable process every time it moves slightly, you can actually make the process worse. The second mistake is ignoring signals. This means missing a genuine change because you assume everything is just normal variation. A control chart helps by showing performance over time. The center line shows the average. The upper and lower control limits show the normal expected range. If points stay inside the limits and follow a random pattern, the process is probably stable. But if a point goes outside the control limits, that is a signal. In the example, most points move around the center line as expected. Then one point jumps above the upper control limit. That is special cause variation. The right response is not to adjust everything. The right response is to investigate what changed at that point in time. The key lesson is simple. SPC helps you know when to leave a stable process alone and when to take action because the data is showing a real signal. This topic is covered inside SimplicityHub Lean Six Sigma courses, with full lessons, examples, quizzes, and accreditation. Enroll today and start building real improvement skills.